Yo, 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 Kris Gethin here, and today is a special day because the winner of the 8-week muscle building video trainer won a competition, and one of the prizes within that competition was coming here to train with me and hang out. So we had lunch a little bit earlier, and now we're going to train. And the body part is the choice of the winner, and he chose shoulders. So it's shoulders that we're going to train today, and then we're going to head on out and grab some dinner later. So the winner of the 8-week muscle building video trainer is a gentleman by the name of Vikram. He's in Seattle, from India originally, and so it's pretty cool that he got his ass out here at this particular time because he won the transformation contest. He then competed in his first physique show over the weekend, which was a national qualifier. He placed third, so he qualified for the nationals. And then yesterday was his birthday, and today he's here training with me. So we're gonna get on in, have a workout now. I'm just gonna finish off my pre-caged. So let's get this done. Alright guys, if you want to follow this workout that myself and Vikram did, this is what we did. We started off with, obviously it was delts that he really wanted to work today, so we started off with a superset, and that was an antagonistic superset. So we did an incline front raise with dumbbells, and that was a bilateral movement, so both arms at the same time. You'll notice we did 20 repetitions, very strict as we were coming up, holding it there for about a second, 1 second pause, and then when we did 20, couldn't do any more, we reached around failure, we just used a little bit of momentum to get 10 more repetitions out. Then we immediately laid face down onto that very same bench, and we did rear raises, and we did that for 20 repetitions. And then we went back and forth. Just enough time for Vikram to go was enough time for me to rest, and vice versa. We did 3 sets of those supersets. Then, after hitting our front and rear raises, rear heads of our shoulders, we went onto our lateral head of our delts. We're going to go up to 10s. We're going to do 10 reps with that. Then we're going to go up to 20s. We're going to do 10 reps of that. And then we're going to repeat that, but going on the way back down.
Pyramid.
Yeah. Pyramid up and pyramid down. So I'll go first again, and then you follow suit after. 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, then 20. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to the 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then with the 5s. And when we finish with the 5s, the arms go out locked straight, and we only come down halfway. Good. Get that mind-muscle connection in there. 2, good. 3, relax here. 4, 5, bring your shoulders back slightly. That's better. Good. Easy. Looking good, man, looking good. Okay, and then drop them. 20s right here. That's it, you got it. Okay, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, good. 5. And again, come on. 4, up, 3, push. 2. And one more. Good, great. Put him back down, grab the 10s. 10 over. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, 5. Good. 4. Come on, all the way up. 3, 2, 1. Okay, put them back. This is where it gets hard, mate. The smallest ones are going to be the hardest now. So your arms are going to be locked out straight, and you're coming down as far as there. 3, 4, 5. Good. 6. Come on. 7, 8, 9. Perfect. Good. Nice. Good set, buddy. Nice shooting taps. Looking good, man. Looking really good. You can see as he's getting more pumped up now, the fluid, because he's got carbs in your system, you can see the fluid's getting sucked in from the subcutaneous area, getting into the muscle now, so it's drying you out and filling you out. Looking good. And we did 3 of those sets in total. And once we were done with that, we finished off with our compound movement, which was a shoulder press in a hammer strength machine. Now, due to my shoulder injury, or my surgery, I should say, that I had several months ago, I didn't go heavy on this exercise, but I did 20 repetitions, and same with Vikram. And you know, we did 20 repetitions there. On the last set, I think Vikram reached failure at about 13 repetitions, so I assisted him to 15. Then we did a drop set until he got his 20 repetitions out. We did 3 sets there.
Do you prefer like doing the dumbbell press or the standing military press?
I like everything. I like both. You know, like I would prefer. Oh, you mean over a barbell?
Yeah, or barbell standing.
Yeah, I prefer dumbbells.
Okay.
I prefer dumbbells. That's me personally, but you may be completely different. Your insertions and attachments may be in a different place to mine, where it's more comfortable for you. In all honesty, the most comfortable exercise for me is probably behind the neck barbell press, which is very uncomfortable for the majority of people.
But does that affect the same muscle part like when you're doing behind or you're doing
Yeah, it'll work at slightly more of your rear and lateral head, as opposed to, like if you come to the front, it's going to be a lot more of your front deltoid, you know?
Because in my case, I feel my rear gets really pumped faster than my front. So even if I do like a couple of sets of anything which involves rear,
Yeah.
I mean my rear pops out so easily.
Then stick to your front then, you know, so, you know, if you're doing the military press,
Okay.
make sure you come to the front of your head if you want to target that more.
Yeah.
Arnold press are very good for your front delts
Okay.
as well, you know, you've done the Arnold,
Yeah.
it's very good for that. I always find, you know, when you come down, instead of coming down there, keep your arms up, you know, and that will really target your front delts a lot, you know. Yeah, so always prioritize your front delts. Like out of every 5 workouts, maybe the 4 weeks of those are starting with your front delts.
Yeah.
And on the 5th workout, maybe you start with your rear or lateral head.
Okay.
So you're always prioritizing it. And then we finished off, had our recage, and that is all she wrote. We're gonna go get changed now and go and have a nice, healthy, big ass dinner so we can recover and get back to the gym tomorrow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Vikram. Happy birthday to you.